Hello everybody and welcome back to Amity Bloom. Today we're going to be using some beautiful pressed flower stickers and ephemera pieces for this journal with me. I'm using papers from the Among the Flowers digital kit as well as some of my personal ephemera and some beautiful stickers that can be found in my Etsy shop. This is my gorgeous everyday journal and I'm flipping through the pages trying to find the perfect one to do the journaling on, and I ended up finding this forgotten page. I used a doily paper as well as a piece of cardstock from the Among the Flowers physical kit. I cut off the excess and I created my own page, collaging two pieces of paper in a similar color palette. Struggling with my glue. On this page, I'm going to cover up the leftover parts and using this beautiful collage that I created on Photoshop with some antique fabric and a little doily, and I thought the colors matched really well. Found a beautiful picture of me and my Loki bear, and I want it to fit on that page in order for me to attach one of my Bloom floral stickers on top that turns into a frame. No scissors, no glue is required, and you get that beautiful floral effect around any type of picture. So I'm peeling it very carefully, making sure I know exactly where I want it before I glue it down, as these stickers are super sticky and you can't peel them back up. And since they're transparent, you can see your picture perfectly, and it makes your photo truly come to life and feel so special, like a little fairy ring of flowers around your beautiful picture. And here I'm playing around with some of my pressed flower stickers, which are included in the Among the Flowers physical kit. They add such a great decoration to any page, and as you can see, all I had to do is add some of those little pressed flower stickers and then do my journaling right beside it. Just journaling about my love for Loki and how grateful I am that he's in my life. Sweet little Loki bear. And quite quickly we're able to create a beautiful journal page using stickers, our handwriting, and a sweet little photo to capture a memory. Now moving on to the next page, I'm using this piece of paper from the digital kit, Among the Flowers, and I'm cutting it apart and using it as a little journaling card. It says, "Flowers that make me happy." I attached it as a belly band so that I can add another little journal card inside of it, so making the most out of that little space in the corner. And then I just listed out the flowers that make my heart happy, which are daisies, chamomiles, any type of wildflower, and I couldn't forget forget-me-nots. Playing around with the pressed flower stickers, but I decided that the colors didn't match that well, but it's so easy to get carried away by just planting little flowers on your pages. I think there's a magic to being surrounded by flowers and living among the flowers, which is why inside of that sweet little doily I wanted to put the sentiment, and instead of writing it out I wanted to stamp it, so it looked a little bit more special and more vintage. This collection was very special as I wanted to capture the whimsical nature of real flowers, and playing around with those stickers and some of the Polaroids to see what else I could put into the little tuck spot that we created. And talking about flowers, this is one of the pictures that I took of a darling pair of little yellow flowers that were growing on the side of the bricks. And even in the roughest conditions, these flowers will still bloom and grow. And I loved that, so I decided to capture the photo, and I will definitely go back and journal about it later. And going back to another picture of me and my Loki bear, as you can see, he's my baby. I'm obsessed with him. I wanted to decorate this little corner that always bugged me, and I finally found the perfect little sticker to fit in that little corner. Never feel pressured to finish a journal page when you're sitting down. You can always go back to it later and add little pieces to it that then make you feel happy and inspired. On these two pages, I thought they were very blank and bare, so I wanted to use more pages from the digital kit to see how they would look like before I glued them down. I really liked using the leftover piece of paper from the digital and using it to cover up half of the page of this particular spread, and then finishing that page with, of course, another pressed flower sticker, as I thought it was missing another little flower to the family. And you can see close-ups of how the stickers of these real flowers, but just pressed, add so much to the pages. It gives it a sense of realism, and sometimes when we're using digitals that have wallpaper flowers or drawn flowers, using real flowers in the form of dried or pressed flowers, I think adds an element that is quite special in our pages. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this Among the Flowers journal session. Make sure you check out my Etsy shop if you fell in love with any of the pressed flower stickers, the floral frame sticker, or any digitals that I used. All of these physical pieces, as well as the washi tape, will be going on a little vacation starting the 2nd of November, and they will be back at the end of December or early January, along with some beautiful new products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video made you smile, and I will see you very soon.